back to my channel. I am Stephanie Renee, and today I'm going to be giving you the video that I promised. I did the unboxing of my first Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, but I did say I was going to go back and actually show you guys my first attempt as well. So here we are. I told you guys I got the Mega Mothership palette, which I was super excited about getting, as well as I did use one of her lippies too, because I mean, why stop at the palette? All of her stuff is so bomb. Also, this is one of the Lust lips, and it smells like baked goods. Like, it feels so good on your lips. I am here for this. So this is the Lust lip in Flesh number 4. This is what it looks like. Super cute, per usual. And it smells like divine. So get into that. This is an easy quick purchase. The eyeshadows took me a little bit longer. Anyway, so the color that I used today, I used 3 colors. I used this one, which is the Major Mahogany. I used the Lunar Champagne, this one right here, as well as the Gold Standard. And if you have kind of been doing your research on Pat McGrath's eyeshadows, her golds are definitely like the king of the palette, I would say. I haven't played around with all of them. You can actually see which ones I have touched. But the gold, I'm really feeling the golds, and I love this Major Mahogany. And I wanted to really play off of my Zara headband today, as well as my cute little Express bodysuit, which I got in this perfectly like brown girl nude. So I was like, okay. And I just got back from a modeling gig, so I'm at the hotel, and I thought to myself, well, what can I do in my free time? And I was like, let's do a little glam. Let's give the people what you said you was gonna do, and do the eyeshadow. So this is the look that I came up with. And so I'm gonna go ahead and drop the video of me doing the application. So let me know what you guys think. Please go ahead and subscribe and like this video, and comment below. Give me what you think. Tell me, you know, what you're doing with your Pat McGrath Lab eyeshadow palettes. Which one's your favorite? Did you get the Mega? Do you like the traditional Mothership palettes? Do you like the minis? Have you tried her foundation? Because that's my next step, the foundation. So let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you soon. Peace out.
All right, I got my base down and I am ready to rock. So I'm starting off with the color Major Mahogany in the Celestial Divinity palette. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my brush and just kind of lay down the base of this smoky, golden, goddessy summertime look that I'm definitely missing. Wanting to get out there. COVID has definitely been slowing down my fun, so I'm doing this look in advance, so I'll be ready when it's time to get out there. So I didn't even do any tricks like the special high-end eyeshadow base or setting spray on the brush. I really wanted to see, you know, is Pat McGrath's eyeshadows really worth the hype? So look at all this pigment that I was able to lay down prepping for the smoky eye. I really love this color, the Major Mahogany. It's like a perfect little bronzy warm color. So I'm putting it down on my base under my eye, just kind of pushing up and out at the angle to kind of go with my face shape. But I am gonna clean it up, so stay with me. Don't give up on me yet. I'm just putting down the base and making sure it's highly pigmented so that once I clean it up, it will still give a good pop. Next up is the Gold Standard. Now this color right here is so beautiful. I don't think the camera really did it justice, but this goes on like a liquid gold. I'm gonna be putting it on like the ball of my eye to give that shimmer, to really make the golden goddessy look pop. Super summery, sultry. So I'm just gonna rub that beautiful gold color all on the eyelid of my eye. So I'm just blending it out, but it goes on super smooth, and it's such a finely milled gold that it really gives like that liquid look. which I really loved. I know I'm gonna have so much fun with this color here. So I'm just pressing that in and blending it through. So I love the way this is looking. I went for the color that was kind of like the next step up in lightness in the Divinity palette, which is the Lunar Champagne. I'm gonna use this on the corner of my eye just to kind of give that extra little glint, you know, little glitter in the eye, little sparkle, to really make this golden smoky eye work. So I'm just blending that in just to kind of make it like the next punch up step in the eye color. So we've got the mahogany, the major mahogany on the base. Then we did the gold standard kind of just on the eyelid, and then just highlighting with the Lunar Champagne. This is an easy bronze smoky eye. So next, this palette right here has been through everything with me. I love it. It's a contour kit. It's the Tan to Deep Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit, and you can use it for sculpting eyes, jaw, face, everything. It's perfect. So I'm just going in with the contour kit, cleaning up and just kind of diffusing the kind of harsh edges of the major mahogany, just to kind of clean it up and make it look a little softer. But you will see me, if you watch a lot of my tutorials, you will definitely see me pull this palette out again because it is my favorite. Money well spent. So just taking it and just diffusing those rough edges, making it all look soft and smoky. And super smooth. Next, I have my organic Evelyn Iona concealer in the color Fresh. So I'm just cleaning up under my eyes, making them look super fresh, super clean, making that line under the eyeshadow a little sharper, and getting rid of any dark circles. I love this concealer. It gives a nice soft dewy finish. It's definitely for that glowy kind of look. I don't wear it when I want to do matte, but yes, this is one of my favorite concealers for the dewy look. So yep, I'm just going in again, adding some more of that Evelyn Iona Organic Concealer in Fresh, just like kind of doing my highlight here. My nose, my cheekbones, just cleaning it all up and making it super clean. I also really like the yellow undertone in this concealer, so if you have yellow undertones, this is definitely a good one to use, and it's organic, so better for your skin. Blah blah blah. So here I am. I'm just blending and blending. You can never ever blend too much. But next I am gonna line the my under eye with a black eyeliner. The eyeliner is the Maybelline Define A-Line eyeliner in the color Ebony Black. And I'm just doing this to kind of smoke it out a little bit, make my eyes really pop for our bronze smoky eye that we're doing today. So just making it really defined and lining that under eye. I really like this eyeliner. It lasts a long time and it was super inexpensive. I'd say about $7. They sell it everywhere. Totally would suggest. Here I am pulling out the love of my life, that palette that I told you guys about, and I'm just using the darkest color to just kind of smoke out that black eyeliner as well as set it. I find when I set it with this powder from the Anastasia Beverly kit, it makes the eyeliner stay longer. Like, you know how sometimes it can move? When I do this, it makes it so it doesn't move. So I'm just blending it and smoking it out to give me the desired look. Coming behind with that major mahogany again to just smoke it out a little bit more. Definitely want to make it subtle / smoky and slightly dramatic. And I'm also going over the crease here with that major mahogany just to give a little bit more pop, because I diffused quite a bit of it earlier and I came back and I was like, a little bit more, I think. I do also want to say the fallout was minimal with the eyeshadow. considering how pigmented it was, I didn't have to take a whole brush and like really clean. It was pretty minimal, but there was some, but you know, the concealer helped with that. So now I'm grabbing my black eyeliner, which is NYX and their vinyl liquid liner, which I love because it gives a little bit of a shine to it. I think anytime you can add a little bit of a sparkle and a shine, if that's the look you're going for, which is what we are going for today, that always helps. So and this one also has a super fine point on it, which is helpful, especially when trying to do stuff like this on the camera. Like, eyeliner is the hardest in general, and you add trying to do it in a camera and, you know, be able to look in the mirror, like, it's a lot. So yes, this eyeliner is really good, and it's about $7. It lasts, it gives a nice sheen, and it has a good point on it, as you can see. So the NYX vinyl liquid liner is an A+ for me. I'm looking it up, it says it's about $7, so perfect. There's a drugstore goodie that is long wear and really good and has a good applicator, so can't complain about that. But I'm lining the eye just to add to our pop and the overall look. I've also noticed that if you make a mistake with eyeliner, a tip is let it dry a little bit and then come back, because it kind of turns into like more of like a powder and you can clean it off more. If you do it right away, it's wet and it's liquidy, and then that's when you end up with your disaster. So that's a little tip for y'all. But yes, I'm coming in now and kind of cleaning up some stuff with my little beauty blender, which there's no place that I will not use a beauty blender. They're amazing. Just got to make sure you keep them clean. But here I am just getting rid of the shine where we don't want it, coming in with a little bit of warmth too on my forehead, contouring out that jawline, you know, all of the things, warming up my cheekbones. This palette is everything. But I also decided when I do a warm, glowy, bronzy look, I don't need to do like a super matte baking with the setting powder. So because if we want to be dewy, why are we setting, right? So I'm just gonna go through and just kind of take care of warming it up, and areas that we don't want to shine, extreme shine, like my forehead, with this palette. So here I am just blending. What about you guys? Do you do baking with your translucent powder when you're going for a glowy look, or do you skip that and just let the glow happen naturally? I'm grabbing my blush to kind of give myself a nice sweet cheek, and I'm just gonna put it right on the apples of my cheeks, and just kind of diffuse that, and always pushing up. You know, because that's the way my face is shaped. So you have to know, you know, your face shape. But next, here comes the magic of the summer glowy look that we're going for. It's the Laura Geller New York Dripping in Gold Illuminator palette. This palette is great because actually you can use it as an eyeshadow as well. But here I am, I'm pushing up, just kind of highlighting the shape of my face here, giving that nice glowy goddess finish. And really, I mean, I'm just gonna put it pretty much everywhere. I'm putting it on the point of my nose, the shape of my forehead, the highlight of my cheekbone. The mascara I'm using is the Sumptuous Bold Volume Lifting Mascara from Estee Lauder. It's a great mascara for volume and length, and I'm just going to push it through my lashes to kind of define, and I'm always going through, combing through all of the hair so that I get all the volume that I can get out of it, because I do love a nice, thick, voluptuous lash since I'm not doing falsies today. It seems like with mascara, you kind of have to choose, do we want length or do we want volume? This one gives both, but I definitely say it leans more towards the volume side of things. Pretty much, I think the only way to really get both is to do the falsies. but I do like it. I guess if I had to choose, maybe I would go for volume. Comment below and let me know if you're team volume or team length. Also, if you found a mascara that you love that does both, like, let us know. For sure. I also want to try Lashify. I've heard some good things about that, so that's on the to-do list. But yes, so I am just, you know, making sure the mascara is on point and that I got every single lash, top and bottom. But yes, I cannot wait to wear this look out. So next, to finish the look, I'm going to use, of course, Pat McGrath's Lust Gloss. It's the Lust Gloss in color Flesh 4, which is a warm mid-tone brown. So it's kind of, you know, going with our neutral look, but still giving a really good gloss and shine. And like I told you guys, this gloss smells so amazing. It really smells like baked goods, something yummy and delicious fresh out the oven. This is a straight up treat. And it feels really good. But as you can see, I love this color. I feel like it really goes with the whole vibe we were going for, which is kind of like, you know, a summertime nude glowy look. So here we are. This is the finished look. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you for watching. And now I'm just gonna serve some face. But if you enjoyed this and if you stuck around this long, you had better go push subscribe. Also give me a like. Definitely comment below with your thoughts, and I will talk to you guys soon. Love ya. Bye.